Hello friends, welcome to my channel RG Innovations. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button and select all to get all the notifications of my videos. In my last video, I have shown you my lab, a tour of my lab. And in today's video, I am going to show you my stock of LEDs. What type of LEDs I have and what type of LEDs I use in my project. So please be with me till the end of the video and do not forget to like the video if you find it good. So here are the LED boxes where I keep my LEDs, and let's go to my work table. So I have all my LEDs in these three boxes. There are different type of and hundreds of LEDs of different type. So these two boxes I'll show later, and this is the main box of LEDs which I made myself with sunboard. So let's open it. You can see there are different types of LEDs, hundreds of them of different varieties. I'll show you one by one what LEDs are those. So let's get a bit closer to the box. These are neon lamps. These are the classic flashlight bulbs. Hope you have seen. I still have some in my stock. Now to the next compartment. These are common anode RGB LEDs. And in the next compartment, I have infrared transmitter and receiver diodes, both in 5mm and 3mm in size. These are used for proximity projects. And in the next compartment, I have RGB flashing LEDs. These are used mainly for fun projects, making some displays, etc. And move on to the next compartment. Here I have 5mm transparent blue LEDs. In the next compartment, I have transparent 5mm red LEDs. In this box, I have 10mm and 8mm red LEDs, 10mm and 8mm green LEDs. These are common cathode RGB LEDs. Collecting LEDs is a good hobby for me. I collect LEDs from different parts of the world. These are blue 5mm, 10mm and 8mm LEDs. In the next compartment, I have 8mm and 10mm white transparent LEDs. In the next box, I have orange LEDs 3mm, 5mm, 8mm, 10mm, both in opaque and transparent type. Move on to the next compartment. Here I have yellow LEDs, transparent and opaque. Rather, I say transparent and diffused. In the next box, I have RGB button LEDs, 1 watt RGB LEDs. Then in the next box, yellow LEDs 10mm, 5mm and 8mm. Next, white LEDs. In the next compartment, I have pink LEDs. In the same compartment, I have UV ultraviolet LEDs. And some purple LEDs are also there. In the next compartment, I have 3mm red LEDs, 3mm green LEDs, then 3mm blue LEDs. Then in the next box, 3mm yellow LEDs, 3mm white LEDs. These tiny LEDs look so nice and tempting. In the next compartment, I have LED holders. These are used to fix the LEDs in any casing. I have both metal type and plastic type. And in the next compartment, I have kept a battery which is used to test LEDs. Actually, it's a 9-volt battery, but it's drained out and it now supplies mostly 2.7 to 3 volts. So I have kept this to check the LEDs. And in the same box, I have some heat sinks for tablet LEDs. The next box, I have 10mm RGB LEDs. These are diffused RGB LEDs, and in the same box I have some neon lamps. These are used as AC indicators. Let's move on to the next box. In this box I have mostly SMD type LEDs, and this is an infrared LED which is used with CCTV camera, mainly for night vision. And these are 5mm RGB LEDs. Rather, it's a pixel LED, addressable LED. We can individually address this LED through Arduino. And these are some SMD LEDs. In the next box, I have red LEDs, green LEDs. And in the next compartment, I have button LEDs, 1 watt, 3 watt, all these are white. I have mentioned their consumption of current, some of them 0.2 amp, some of them 0.4 amp. All these are white button LEDs. In the next box, I have different color LEDs, button LEDs. B means it's blue, it's red, this is yellow, and this is green. Another packet is there. These are RXB, means red extra bright. So let's keep these things back in the compartment and move on to the next compartment. In this compartment, in this packet, I have Piranha LEDs. You might have seen Piranha LEDs. I will show at the end. These are square shaped LEDs with very high light. I have those in different colors. This is yellow, this is blue. I have also RGB. This is Piranha green and this is Piranha red. Let me show you how does it really look like if you haven't seen one earlier. Piranha LEDs are square in shape, as I said. It looks like this. It has 4 legs. And they are very bright in color. So these are the LEDs that I have in my main LED storage box, and I use them in my different projects. Now let me show you another 2 boxes. This is one branded LED box from Plusivo. There are 100 LEDs in different colors, 100 yellow, 100 green, 100 blue, 100 red and 100 white. And they are very bright LEDs. And I have another box of LEDs. Let me show you. These are bar type red LEDs. I use them in some progress bar project or in some decorative projects. It looks like this. So these are all the LEDs that I have. So today up to this, in the next video I'll come with some other component that I have with me and that I work with. If you like the video, do not forget to press the like button, share it with your friends, and obviously do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button, select all to get all the notifications of our videos. So today up to this, stay well, stay happy, bye bye, take care.